Welcome to this complete Rimini, Italy travel guide. Imagine a place where history and culture meet the radiant sun and shimmering waters of the Adriatic Sea. Nestled on the northeastern coast of Italy, Rimini is that gem. A city that dates back to the Roman era. It's a place where the past and the present harmoniously intertwine. With a Mediterranean climate that offers warm summers and mild winters, Rimini is a destination for all seasons. In this guide, we'll explore 10 must-see spots in Rimini. From the ancient Tiberius Bridge to the charming Borgo San Giuliano, the captivating Arch of Augustus to the relaxing Rimini Beach. We'll also delve into the artistic Tempio Malatestiano, the lively Piazza Cavour, the robust Castel Sismondo, the inspiring Fellini Museum, the bustling Rimini Marina, and the fun-filled Italia in Miniatura. So without any further ado, let's dive into the heart of Rimini. Begin your journey with a visit to the Tiberius Bridge, a marvel of engineering from ancient Rome. This iconic stone bridge, dating back to the 1st century AD, is a testament to the sheer ingenuity of the Romans. With its 5 arches spanning the Marecchia River, it's a sight that never fails to inspire awe. The bridge was commissioned by Emperor Augustus, but completed under the reign of Emperor Tiberius, thus earning its name. Its resilient Istrian stone structure has withstood the test of time, surviving wars, floods, and the relentless march of history. This isn't just a bridge, but a living work of art, a symbol of Rimini's rich past and a silent storyteller. It has seen emperors and commoners, soldiers and poets all crossing its arches over 2,000 years. The Tiberius Bridge is more than just a crossing point. It's a tangible link to our shared human history. A walk on this bridge is a walk through history itself. Next, pay a visit to the Arch of Augustus, a symbol of Rimini's Roman roots. Steeped in history, this majestic structure stands as a testament to the glory of the Roman Empire. Built in 27 BC, it's not just the oldest Roman arch, but it's also the oldest surviving Roman arch in the entire world. Quite the accolade, wouldn't you say? Its architecture is a sight to behold, with its grandiose design and intricate details. The arch is made from Istrian stone, a material known for its durability and beauty. The arch's frieze, adorned with symbols of Roman mythology, gives us a glimpse into the beliefs and traditions of that time. One can't help but feel a sense of awe standing under the towering structure. It's as if one is walking through a portal into the past, tracing the footsteps of ancient Romans. The Arch of Augustus isn't just a structure, it's a silent storyteller narrating tales of a bygone era. This arch truly is a gateway to the past. After the historical tour, unwind at the famous Rimini Beach, a haven for sun-seekers and water lovers alike. This 15-kilometer stretch of golden sand is the heart and soul of Rimini. Here, the Adriatic Sea gently laps against the shore, offering a serene soundtrack to your day of relaxation. From a leisurely swim to a competitive game of beach volleyball, there's an activity for everyone. You can even try your hand at windsurfing, or perhaps simply enjoy a relaxing stroll along the water's edge. The beach is dotted with colorful umbrellas, offering a vibrant spectacle that is quintessentially Italian. Rimini Beach isn't just about sun and sea, it's a key part of the local culture. Here, life slows down and the hustle and bustle of the city fades into the background. It's where locals come to unwind, tourists flock for the Mediterranean charm, and everyone leaves with a sun-kissed glow. So, whether you're a water sports enthusiast or a sunbathing aficionado, Rimini Beach has something for you. Remember, a day at Rimini Beach is a day well spent. Next, explore the Tempio Malatestiano, a stunning example of Italian Renaissance architecture. This remarkable sanctuary stands as a testament to the genius of Leon Battista Alberti, a man who wore the hats of an architect, poet, and philosopher, among others. Commissioned by Sigismondo Pandolfo Malatesta in the 15th century, the cathedral was intended to serve as a mausoleum for him and his lover Isotta degli Atti. Its facade, a harmonious blend of white marble and grey stone, is a masterclass in proportion and symmetry. The interior, in stark contrast, is austere, an echo of the tumultuous times during which it was constructed, yet it houses some of the most exquisite art pieces, including frescoes by Piero della Francesca. The Tempio Malatestiano is more than just a building. It's a symbol of the city's rich cultural past, a silent witness to the ebb and flow of history. A visit to the Tempio Malatestiano is a journey into the heart of the Renaissance. Continue your journey at the Piazza Cavour, the social heart of Rimini. Nestled in the city's historic center, this square has been the epicenter of Rimini's bustling life since the Middle Ages. With its cobblestone paths, it's like stepping into a time machine, a place where the past and present seamlessly merge. Imagine the stories these stones could tell, from the whispers of market traders in the 14th century to the lively chatter of locals and tourists today. The piazza is surrounded by remarkable buildings, each one rich with history. The medieval Palazzo dell'Arengo, for instance, stands as a testament to the city's ancient judicial traditions. Overlooking the square is the Vecchia Pescheria, the old fish market, where you can almost smell the sea on the breeze. And of course the grandiose statue of Pope Paul V, whose benevolent gaze has watched over the square since the 17th century. Piazza Cavour, where the heart of Rimini beats. Visit the Castel Sismondo, a fortress with a fascinating history. Now let's delve into the past, all the way back to the 15th century when this imposing fortress was built. It served as both a defensive structure and a palatial residence for Sigismondo Pandolfo Malatesta, the Lord of Rimini. Castel Sismondo's architecture is a testament to the resilience of the times. Its mighty walls, built from robust Istrian stone, have withstood the test of time, surviving wars and natural disasters. The fortress, now partially enveloped by the city, once stood on the edge of Rimini, a stalwart guardian against potential invaders. Inside, you'll find a labyrinth of rooms, corridors, and courtyards, each with its own tale to tell. It's a place where you can truly immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of Italian history. The fortress also hosts exhibitions and cultural events, adding a dash of contemporary relevance to its historical significance. And as you explore its ancient corners, always remember, at Castel Sismondo, history comes alive. Next, stroll through the charming Borgo San Giuliano. This quaint quarter, once a fisherman's village, is now known for its vibrant murals and charming cobbled streets. Each corner of Borgo San Giuliano whispers tales of times past, with every mural telling a story of Rimini's rich history. The area was significantly revitalized in the late 20th century and now stands as a testament to Rimini's blend of the old and new. It's not just about the past, though. Borgo San Giuliano is very much alive with the present, bustling with cafes, restaurants, and boutiques that give it a lively contemporary feel. Every 2 years, the neighborhood bursts into life during the Festa de Borg, a festival where residents and visitors alike come together to celebrate the spirit of the community. From its vibrant murals to its lively festivals, Borgo San Giuliano is a living canvas that captures the heart of Rimini. Borgo San Giuliano, a charming slice of Rimini. Explore the Fellini Museum, dedicated to one of Italy's most famous filmmakers. This cultural gem is housed in a grand 18th century palazzo, and it's a must-visit spot for all film enthusiasts. The museum is a tribute to the life and works of Federico Fellini, a Rimini-born director who rose to international prominence for his distinctive style of filmmaking. Within its walls, you'll find an array of exhibits that delve into Fellini's creative process. From original film posters to costumes, storyboards, and personal letters, the museum offers an intimate look at the director's artistic journey. There are also multimedia installations that allow you to step into Fellini's surreal cinematic world. The Fellini Museum is more than just a collection of artifacts. It is a testament to Rimini's enduring love for its native son, a man whose films have left an indelible mark on the world of cinema. The Fellini Museum, a tribute to a cinematic genius, experience the vibrant Rimini Marina. As the sun dances on the azure waters, this bustling hub of activity is much more than just a haven for yachts and sailboats. It's a captivating blend of the old and new, where luxury cruisers dock right next to traditional fishing boats. Rimini Marina is the heart of the city's nautical life, offering a plethora of activities for every sea lover. You can charter a boat for a day, take sailing lessons, or simply enjoy a leisurely stroll along the promenade. The marina is also home to a variety of restaurants and cafes, serving everything from local delicacies to international cuisine. But the marina isn't just about the water. It's where the spirit of Rimini truly shines. the city's love for the sea, its respect for tradition, and its welcoming nature. It's a place where laughter fills the air, where friendships are forged, and where memories are made. Rimini Marina, where the city meets the sea. Finally, have some fun at Italia in Miniatura, a miniature park and model village. Established in 1970, this charming park captures the essence of Italy in a pint-sized panorama. Here, you can tour the entire country without leaving Rimini. From the towering heights of the Alpine mountains to the romantic waterways of Venice, Italia in Miniatura presents Italy's most iconic landmarks in meticulously detailed models. Each replica is a testament to the craftsmanship and dedication that went into its creation. The park also features miniatures of important European landmarks, offering visitors a continental tour in a single day. But it's not just about the sights. The park offers interactive experiences too. You can navigate Venice's canals in a gondola or challenge your friends to a race on the Monza track. Italia in Miniatura is more than just a tourist attraction. It's a celebration of Italy's rich cultural heritage and architectural beauty. Italia in Miniatura, where Italy is at your fingertips.